Hello everyone, welcome to JH SOFTECH. Let's we discuss about SAP SD question and answers. The system modules that are included in the financial application component. Answer: the following system modules are included in the financial application component. FI Financial Accounting, CO Controlling, EC Enterprise Controlling, IM Investment Management, PS Project System. List the system modules that are included in the Human Resource Application. Human Capital Management component. Answer: the following system modules are included in the Human Resource Application component. PA Personal Administration, PT Personal Time Management, PY Payroll. List the system modules that are included in the logistic application component. Answer: the following system modules are included in the logistic application component. SD Sales and Distribution, Material Management, PP Production Planning and Control, LE Logistics Execution, QM Quality Management, CS Customer Service. List the components that SD module consists of. Answer: the SD module consists of the following component: basic functions and master data in processing, purchasing and conditions, extra charge, availability check and requirements in sales and distribution, credit and risk management, material storing, output determination, sales, scheduling agreements for component suppliers, customer service processing, foreign trade customs, billing, payment card processing, sales support computer aided selling, electronics data interchange IDOS interface, shifting, transportation, reports and analysis, business package for internal sales representative. What is the purpose of transaction code in system? Answer: the transaction code is the small path to reach to a specified screen in system. Instead of going through the routine menu, you can enter the transaction code and then press enter, which would directly take you to the specified transaction. Example: you can access the VA22 transaction code to reach to the change quotation screen. However, the VA01 transaction code is used to create sales document in system. What is meant by match code in system? Answer: the comparison key that helps you to find the key of a specified database record. Depending on the field value entered in the record is known as match code. On the base of the match code, the system then display a list of record from which you can select the appropriate one. Explain the three main areas of customer master data. Answer: customer master is a part of the SD module and forms the basis of customer related transactions. It is divided into three areas. General data: it is used for the maintenance of general customer details such as name, address, phone, fax number and so on. Sales area data: it is used for sales related data maintenance. Company code data: it is used for accounts related data maintenance. What is the purpose of implementation guide in the system? Answer: the implementation guide is used to collectively group the areas, must be configured and customized and form of a base structure of an organization in the system to run. How will you maintain a company code in the system? To maintain a company code, navigate the following menu path. Customizing implementation guide. Enterprise structure. Definition, financial accounting, edit, copy, delete, check company code. How do you mean by enterprise resource planning? Answer. ERP is a way to integrate process and data of an organization into a single system to provide easy access and workflow in an organization. It refers to the way in which large organizations affectionately plan to use resources to their fullest. List the advantages of implementing an ERP system in an organization. Answer. The advantages of implementing an ERP system in an organization are as follows. Various process and workflow of an organization integrated in a single system. Efficient utilization of resource in an organization, ability to easily share organizational data across different departments, improves efficiency and productivity levels, lower cost, better customer service. Specify the role of the sales and distribution module in an ERP system. Answer. The SD module is an application module for supply chain and operational performance management and provides supports to customers. This module is integrated with the material management and production planning functional modules. It also allows organization to how are the R/3 system integrate all the application modules? Answer. Integration of all application modules has been done by the R/3 basis system. This system helps in the integration of various modules in the following manner. Guarantees the optimal integration by providing runtime environment. Provides administration tools for the entire system. Provides equilibrium architectural framework enhancing the system. Provides protectability of complete system. What is R/3 system landscape? Answer. Landscape is an architecture of servers. The following are three different landscape for system. Development. In a development server, a technical function person creates the program or configure the system as per the company's requirement and sends it to the quality server. Quality. In this server, team members test the development configuration with various parameters. Then the final configuration is transported from development server to production server. Production. Through this server, the software is finally handed over client for users. What are the role of an ABAPer in the SD module? Answer. The ABAPer uses the data transfer tools such as BDC LSMW to upload huge data such as customer master data. ABAPer writes the Z development and programs as specified by functional consultants as per the business requirements. Explain baddies and its relevance. Answer. In the R/3 system provides an enhancement technique called business add-ins. Baddies are business transaction events helpful to bundle program menu and screen enhancement into a single business add-in. What is a quick viewer? The quick viewer is a very useful tool to create reports in system. It helps create reports without actually doing any programming. It is similar to an ABAP query. However, it does not have all the capabilities that the ABAP query producer has. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.